This NSK rs0810fn544 is the motor part of the AMAT CMP matched pair system, which ERD has rebuilt since the 1990s. ERD primarily rebuilds electronics, but since there is a matched pair, we perform full rebuild service on this motor, including winding repair, replacement of connectors, and of course, a new bearing for the full alignment. After this rebuild is finished, ERD has the capabilities and equipment to test alone, or we can attach it to its mated EP service driver and align the system back to full performance. ERD stocks all the needed parts, and we have a near 100% track record on working on this system. ERD also has full support for any Megatorque system built by NSK for any type of industry, not only for semiconductors.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.